Hello everyone, welcome to, well, my first really, vintage technology review. Today I'm going to take a look at this. This is the Sony Mavica FD71 and it is a digital camera from the year 1998. So it's about 19 years old. What makes these things so special, the Mavica series, is that they use a floppy disk to actually store the data, the photos. So that's pretty cool. Even back in the day, that was awesome. If that would even existed back then, I have no idea. Of course, they also used a standard Sony L series battery here. If I can just turn that off, here we go. There it is, a Sony L series lithium battery. And yeah, these are just the info lithium kind. And works really well. Now on the back you can see this 2.5-inch LCD, which is very pixelated, but was probably pretty good for the time. See a backlight control, a brightness control for the LCD, a flash button, a picture effect button, a program button, and the display button. Up top you also get the playback and camera mode switch, the mode dial, the control 4-way joypad thing, the disk eject button, power button, and of course the zoom control. This has a built-in 10x optical zoom. And over here you get the spot for the lithium backup battery here. I just placed a new one in there. That was dead. Right, let's turn it on. Since you've already taken a picture here, you can see I can disable and enable the displays on the screen. Of course, change the brightness here. I'll put it all the way down. Or just leave it at normal. And I must actually say that to my eye, this screen actually looks pretty good. I think I can actually just do a macro here, I think. Let's just try that out. There we go. See if it focuses. There we go. You can see it's very pixelated and very coarse, but it actually looks fine. It's also plenty bright, which is pretty good. So yeah, there is the physical tour, and I will now show you what it is like to take a picture with this camera. So let's switch it to camera mode here, and I just zoom out, and you can see here there's a chair. That was with the automatic flash there. I'm going to just disable the flash, try that again. And it makes these fantastic floppy disk noises. And that's pretty much it. You can view the pictures, and you can, of course, format the floppy. You can set the beep on and off. You can also copy the floppy, you can format the floppy, or you can, of course, cancel. You can delete images, you can copy them, and you can protect the images from being deleted. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also have an index mode here, where it will show you an index of all the files you've captured. And these upper ones, 1 and 2, are blank because I removed the thumbnail files from the floppy, but yeah, any new pictures that you'll take will have these thumbnails in them, like this. It actually came out rather well. Okay, so at this point I'm going to splice in some pictures for this camera, and yeah, you can take a look at those pictures. Now you might be wondering, how much does fit on one of these? Well, that depends on the mode. It has many different modes here. When I just go into the camera mode here, I can show you. Just zoom in there. Hate the zoom is very slow. Anyway, when you go into the menu, you get the recording mode. You get normal, that just takes a picture. You get email, which saves a second copy of that picture, but that's tiny, a tiny copy for emailing. You can choose bitmap, which is basically uncompressed, and you choose multi, which basically is some sort of not quite a GIF, but somewhere close to that. It just saves all the frames side by side and then plays them back. You get the quality option, you get fine and standard. There's not really much of a difference on these, but yeah, just stick to fine most of the time. You can choose the flash level here, high, normal, and low. You get the file number, you can do normal and series. Normal just, when you format or change the floppy, it starts with 1, and series, it just keeps going until 999. Of course, you get the disk tool again, you can set the beep, and of course the clock. Now back to the quality, when you set fine, you can choose, you can shoot about 15 to 20 pictures on one floppy, although I've managed to get only 8 with very detailed pictures. Standard, you can choose, you can shoot, I think, 30 to 40 pictures on one floppy disk. Resolution, this thing does 640 by 480, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see the type of viewing angles on this LCD here, but of course you can also disable the backlight, which is useless. So yeah, that's about it.